Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. If you have been using Taobao to shop and ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to use Taobao Chinese shopping app to ship products from China, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can get huge discount from every product you purchase or you buy from any store on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how I get huge discounted for every product. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials, tips and tricks on how to ship products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao shopping app right here. After you open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, for you to get some of which discounted on any product, it is very easy to locate from the home page right here. What you need to do is to make sure you take a look at this. So click on that icon right here. So for every product you find in this category here, they are all attached with huge amount of discount, just like what you see right here. Now, let's say for instance, I'm interested in this particular shoe right here. So I will go ahead and click on the product link. Let's find out. So I'm going to click on the product link right here. So when you click on the product link, it takes you to sales page right here. Now, you can see the original price for this shoe is 439 yen. But at the time of making this video, you are paying 399 yen to purchase this particular shoe right here. It's that simple. You can scroll down right here and check on the preview written about the shoe. 400 plus pieces have already been sold. You can scroll down and also check the product graphics about the shoe. However, this depends on the number of product graphics that is being uploaded by different store right here. So let's go back to the home page right here. So you can scroll down right. The more you scroll down here, the more you see different products that are attached with huge discount. Let's find out this particular shoe again. So here, as at the time of making this video, you are paying just 98 yuan to purchase this shoe instead of paying 129 yen. So you can see the kind of amount you save in these sections right here. So let's go back to the home page right here. Then if I go by another sections right here, you see some of which discounted right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up right here. Take a look at another discount sections right here. So if I click on this product here, as at the time of making this video, we are getting this product nothing less than 69.91 yen instead of pay 87 as original price. So you have to make sure you act fast to get some of these products at a very huge discounted price. The more you scroll down, the more you see products in different category. Another category right here, you see huge discount here also. If we swipe this way, you see more and more products in these particular sections right here. So take a look at this particular shoe right here also. So as at the time of making this video, we are saving about 100 yen per pieces of this particular product. Imagine you buy something of 10 pieces, you save about 1,000 yen when you buy 10 pieces from this particular store right here. So as at the time of making this video, you can see the discounted that is on this particular product is 100 yen. It has been indicated on the sales page right here, which simply means that whatever quantity you buy, you are saving 100 yen for 8 pieces. It's that simple. Let's go back to the home page right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.